What came first? The viral Instagram post or the egg? If you guys haven't heard by now, some Instagram egg just went fucking viral to beat out Kylie Jenner for the #1 most liked picture on Instagram. How did this happen? In this video right here, we're gonna be going over how this egg post went viral and 3 exact strategies that you can use to go viral just like this egg. So we're gonna be completely dissecting this Instagram post and the strategies it used to go viral and teaching you how to do it yourself so you can go viral as well. And you could take the exact same steps. I'm Bobby, aka the Influencer CEO. This is the #1 channel for brand growth or anybody looking to 10x their social media. So make sure you're liked and subscribed because we post daily. So that being said, let's get right into how this egg post went completely viral and 3 strategies we can use to do the same exact thing. Okay, so as I am recording this video, this picture of an egg has 32 million likes. And this happened fast. I mean, really fast. So I have no idea who is behind this, but there are some clear strategies that this post used that we can use to make our Instagram post go viral. So the first one is a clear-cut call to action. So let's read the caption together and see what it says. Let's set a world record together, okay? There's already something that it wants to do. Set a world record. Let's set a world record together and get the most liked post on Instagram, beating the current world record held by Kylie Jenner, 18 million. We got this. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do when we want to create a viral Instagram post is create a clear-cut call to action. What's the call to action for this post? Like this picture. Okay? Now, creating a call to action is not enough. We've seen this method used so many times by everybody from entrepreneurs to bikini models, and it says something like this picture if you think I'm cute, like this if you agree. That's not enough, okay? So what this picture did right here was created 1, a call to action, and 2, a clear purpose and motivate. It motivated you. What's the motivation for you? Why should you give a shit? Why should you give a shit to like this post right here? Why? Because you're not just liking a picture of a egg, you're beating Kylie Jenner, okay? It goes even deeper than that. You're not just beating Kylie Jenner, you're proving that this whole social media landscape can be kind of bullshit at times, right? You're saying that by liking this picture of your egg, you're saying,
hey, fuck you, Instagram. Kylie Jenner's not the most important thing in my life. I would rather like a picture of an egg than let Kylie Jenner hold the title of most liked Instagram photo,
right? So it works on so many levels here, but the clear-cut thing that we can take from this is 1, when we create a viral post, there needs to be a call to action, And 2, it needs to be filled with purpose and motivation. So instead of saying something like
this picture because you think I'm cute,
saying, how many likes to beat cancer? You know, I'm doing this post to raise awareness for cancer, or, you know, create a clear story that helps motivate people and gives them a reason. That's why some of the most engaged photos are ones that have, you know, rewards. So for example, I think that the most liked picture on Twitter, or second most liked, is actually a cash giveaway. So that shows you how big incentives are. So once again, if we want to create a viral picture, we need to create a call to action. And 2, we need to give that call to action purpose or give people a reason to motivate them to actually like the picture or the video that we have created. So that is step 1 into creating and the method behind world record egg. Now, the second thing that this post did and you could do to have a post go viral is, we've all heard of this, engagement groups, right? What's an engagement group? An engagement group is when you post a picture and you already have a set group of 10 to 20 friends that will go and like and comment on your picture. What that will do is boost it in Instagram's algorithm and help your picture get seen by more and more people. Well, that is an engagement group, but what this thing actually did is something called a comment engagement group, or excuse me, a DM engagement group. So what this picture did is it created an engagement group that actually went and DM'd the picture of the post to a lot of people. So, for example, I was DM'd this picture of an egg by somebody. That's how I found out about it. Somebody actually DM'd the photo to me and said, hey, go like this picture of an egg. So what you need to do if you want to copy this strategy, is every time you post what you think can be a viral picture or a viral video, get together with 20 to 30 people and have those 20 to 30 people all DM your Instagram post to all of their friends. So think about it this way. If you have 20 or 30 people to like, comment on your post, you're already one, creating massive engagement and tricking Instagram's algorithm into thinking you have a viral post. But then two, those 20 to 30 people, if they send that DM to 100 people each, that's 300 people that just saw your post. And if you already followed step one, which was create a good purpose, a good call to action with motivation, then we've just increased the chances that those people will actually click the DM and go to the picture and actually like and engage with it, okay? So that's step two that you can do to have your post go viral, is not only to create an engagement group, but get a set of friends to actually DM your picture of your post to hundreds of people, as many people as they're willing to do. And this way we could 10x the presence of this picture and really help it go viral. Okay, now the third lesson we could take from World Record Egg, the third thing that they did to go viral and blow up their Instagram post that we could take from it is this. When we create what we think is a viral post, not only should we create a call to action with purpose, create an engagement group that's willing to go the extra mile and DM people with our post, but we should also change our Instagram bio to support our call to action. So for example, if we go to World Record Egg and we look at their bio, it says the official world record holders of the most liked picture on Instagram. Now where's our blue tick? Oh shit, they already got verified on Instagram. That's fucking crazy. But before it had all this, it said like our photo, because we're trying to beat out Kylie Jenner for the most liked picture on Instagram. So let's pretend that we have a viral picture. Let's pretend it's, I don't know, something like me swallowing 10 eggs. I don't know, whatever the fuck it is, something crazy. But let's pretend we have a viral picture, something that we think can go viral, okay? Something that can go viral is, something, let's take the cancer thing, saying, how many likes for this post to beat cancer? I need 10 million likes on this post for Arnold Schwarzenegger to donate $5 million to the charity of my choice. Something like that, that has, what we all know can go viral, right? So it's got it's a clear viral picture, it's got a clear call to action like it, and it's got a clear purpose. Now, let's say that we've also sent that photo to our engagement group and they're DMing it to people. Now what we would need to do is we change our Instagram bio to support it. So now in the Instagram bio, what we would do is we would put, hey, go like my last picture to end cancer. Something crazy like that, something crazy viral. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna 3x your chance that that picture is gonna go viral. So now every time somebody opens your Instagram page, because we're going to be getting so much traffic from steps 1 and 2, we're going to get even more traffic by changing our bio to support our call to action. And we're basically putting all of our, I didn't mean for this one to happen. We're basically putting all of our so our whole Instagram page is essentially now a funnel to get people to like our last Instagram post. And you can do that for every single Instagram post you have. And it's a really good way to basically get all sorts of traffic from different angles. So there you go. There's your 3 steps. Let's actually recap really quickly. So the first thing that we did was we created a call to action with a clear purpose and clear motivation. 2, we had an engagement group. We created an engagement group of 20 to 30 people, the more the merrier, that's willing to like and comment on our photo as soon as we post it. But not only that, that's willing to DM up to 50 to 100 people each to really get the ball rolling. And then 3, we changed our Instagram bio to support our call to action. So now every time somebody clicks on our Instagram page, which they will be doing if you follow steps 1 and 2, people will be sent from our Instagram bio to our viral picture and will really fucking blow it up. All right, there you have it. Those were our 3 steps. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that. Those were our 3 steps to go viral using the same strategies as World Record Egg. Make sure and like and subscribe if you found this information useful. We post daily. Fuck eggs.